Recycling. Read the passage and answer the questions. Recycling. It was the week of Earth Day, and the students at Star Elementary were doing their part to help out. They grabbed green recycling bins and took a field trip to Hope Park. When they got to the park, they split up into groups of 5. Each group got their own bin. They had to work together to collect trash or recycling that was left on the ground. It took them over an hour to have the park all cleaned up. It felt good to help Mother Earth and make a difference. The fresh air was nice too. And then the questions. The first one is just write your name, so just type your name. Then where was their field trip? Hope Park, Joy Park, Holland Park. How many students were in each group? 4, 6, 5, or 10. All of the groups had to share one recycling bin. True or false? It took over an hour to clean up Hope Park. True or false? How did the children make a difference? Explain. Then you can type a sentence on this last one to answer the questions.